Welcome back everyone for the part 4 of the video when it comes to Fibonacci extension. So today we'll try to look at in different examples for a sideways market, because the problem comes when it comes to a sideways market. Most traders are feeling the pressure when it comes to sideways market. But once we identify sideways market as earlier as possible, it is more better for our especially intraday trading. I believe before moving on towards forward in the video, I believe you have watched the part 1, 2 and 3 of this Fibonacci extension. If you have not watched it, make sure link is in the description. You can watch it and then make sure to continue watching this part 4, the last part of Fibonacci extension of this video series. Now, let's straight away move into this. Markets is opening here. Previous day high, previous day low, midpoint might be somewhere coming around here. So price opening above previous day's midpoint. So what is the type I need to choose? Direct option type 1 of marking Fibonacci extension I need to choose. If you are not aware of type 1 and type 2 of Fibonacci extension, how to draw it, that is the reason I mentioned make sure to watch the part 1, 2 and 3 of this Fibonacci extension. Link is in the description. So let's start. I need to select trend based Fibonacci extension. First, as per type 1, the point number 1 I need to select is previous day's low and then previous day's high, and at last from the closing price the nearest price rejecting towards upside. That is what I need to select. So simple straightforward deal. Point 1, point 2, and this is the close. From the close the nearest rejection came here, so this is point number 3, because in Fibonacci extension I need to select 3 points to get the levels. So I am just tracking 0, 0.618 and 1 levels. So simple rule for a sideways price action: if price continue to trade in between 0.618 and 0 level without clearly trading below this or without clearly trading above this, to make sure to recall it here, price starts trading more above 0.618, more bulls are trying to take control of the price action. As per type 1, price trading below 0 level as per type 1 means it's a pure invitation of bearish players can try to come and dominate. If you just notice, price trying to take a support here from the 0 level. That means fresh sellers are not showing any kind of intention to come and dominate the price action after forming an first wide range red candle formation. This is where retail traders get super excited looking at candle color. From my experience, I want to tell you one thing: never ever look at candle color and take trade decisions. You need to have proper trading system method. And as I mentioned already in the videos, if you want to use this Fibonacci extension process, which I have shared in the entire 4 part of this video series, use it as an educational purpose only and as an additional confirmation, not only this as a confirmation. Okay, so let's take one more example for a gap opening. Here I have taken example of gap opening, because gap opening ke baad how the markets are reacting plays a very important role. Whether bulls are gap up, whether bulls can try to take control, or is it a gap filling reversal trying to come, vice versa for a gap down opening. That is very important. That is the reason I've selected a different example, gap example. So here where is price opening here? Price opening is here. Previous day's high, previous day's low, midpoint probably coming around here. So price opening above the previous day's midpoint. Again, going with the type 1 only here, as this is an example, price opening above the midpoint. So the point 1, why I have selected type 1 of Fibonacci marking? Because price is opening above the midpoint. of previous trading session. If price is opening below the midpoint of previous trading session, I need to focus on type 2 of Fibonacci extension marking. Let's mark this based on type 1 because price opening above previous day's midpoint. First, I have selected previous day's low, previous day's high. From the close, nearest area jump price tried to reject, which is here. Number 1, previous day high is somewhere here, so I'm selecting number 2. From the close, this is the area price tried to reject. It's not about bullish candle forming, bearish candle forming. Price tried to reject. This is nearest 0.3. We have a rejection here, but closest is this one. From the market close, previous day's close. So this is the 0.3. Once I have marked all these 3 points, now, very important part is check the price behavior. Gap up ke baad, it's important if as per type 1, if price starts sustaining above 0.618, means bulls are more trying to take control or stay more in control. Price trying to move up, trying to take a support here. One more attempt, slowly, steadily, price is trying to move up. Now the point comes, price crossing the 1 level. Yahan pe we are very clear, this gap can sustain. This gap up has higher probability to sustain because price taking support from 0.618. As I've already mentioned, I never trade on prediction. The gap up, it will sustain. How it will sustain? You need to have a clear clarity or a basic price action logic to understand whether it will sustain or not. Basic rule I am using is as per Fibonacci extension. There are n number of methods. As we are discussing only Fibonacci extension here, I am using it only Fibonacci extension. As per type 1, price sustaining above 0.618 means bulls are more interested. Taking support, slowly staying above it, sideways, and then up move. So bulls control price action, gap up is sustained. We know awareness of the direction here. Very direct approach. Now, price going above 1 level. Very important, easily crossing. But crossing easily is fine. Can it sustain? Like it has sustained here above 0.618, bulls dominated. As per type 1, price trying to trade above 1 level means fresh bulls can come. For the fresh bulls to come, they have to sustain. Are they sustaining? No. Price instantly coming back down, again trying to move up, again coming back down. They are not sustaining. The bulls who are interested to come here, they are not interested to come on the higher levels to dominate the price action. This is where alert of reversals can come. I'm not telling it will come 100% sure shot. No, it can come. This is an alert system for reversal or a change in the direction. Fastly price came down, we cannot much do anything because one shot may candle after 30 minutes of sideways. Can you see price now easily trying to take a resistance, slowly dragging price towards downside. From here we have awareness, key bulls above 1, fresh bulls can come if they sustain. As they are not sustaining, that's a reversal chance until they are not sustaining above 1. So no major fresh bulls invitation. Fresh bulls are not ready to participate at higher level. Clarity. Reversal ka clarity. Minimum yahan pe you can make sure any bullish position you can book your profits or not be overexcited looking at green and take a random upside trade and easily get trapped in this kind of stop loss hunting wide range bearish candle. This is a candle jump. What happened? Green, excited bullish late retail traders who are trying to chase the price looking at candle color, taking bullish position in FOMO, fear of missing opportunity. Those who are chasing in just one candle, all their stop losses are easily thrown out of the system. Once retailers are chasing the price and later on getting stop loss hunted, no point in blaming market. Understand what's the mistake. and make sure to improve. Again, this is a suggestion, not any kind of purest form of recommendation. It's a pure suggestion. Okay, I believe I have clearly tried to explain whatever I wanted in this 4 parts video of Fibonacci extension, especially about trend-based Fibonacci extension, from marking two different types, from understanding what level pay, how is the bulls bears are trying to react, where they are taking support, resistance, change in direction, shift in the price behavior, where they can take more control. If they are not taking, what is the reversal scenario, etc. and etc. for free. I have done my best. Make sure you can watch all the videos again. Link is in the description, and do subscribe and share among trading friends so they can also learn. Stay healthy, keep smiling, enjoy trading.